Hey VV Nation, welcome to our channel. My name is Glenn and I'm a senior instructor here at VectorVest. And on Mondays, we always put out a video for the top weekly picks. Now, I'm going to look at the US market, the Canadian market, and the Australian market to give you my picks for the week. And coming fresh off a trip to Toronto, it spurred me up to go a different direction this week to find your weekly picks. We're going to use the near perfect indicator. Got an opportunity to watch Stan do it live in Toronto, and it just made me well up and go, man, I love the system. Let me put it into my video this week for my top 5 or top weekly picks across the board. Now, keep in mind, depending on the market's conditions, some of these picks are going to be more aggressive than others, depending on the market conditions. And, it's all up to you to make your decision. But I'm going to be bullish all throughout all three markets, especially knowing that the American market just got a confirmed down call. But these are aggressive picks, and I just want to put that disclaimer out there right off the bat. All right, let's get into the program. Looking at the US market first, here are my 6 picks for the US market, and utilizing the MPI or near perfect indicator, just like its name says. It is an awesome way to get in early on some aggressive picks and make some money. But again, looking at the US market, we got a confirmed down call on Friday. These will be aggressive picks. Now, if you don't want to go against the trend in the market, that's up to you. And if you do take these picks, I would do it with a smaller portion of my money and I'd put tighter stops on them. But I'm looking at the momentum plays. These are explosive stocks that could just take off tomorrow. All right, so here's my 6 picks here. I'm going to go and graph them all using the near perfect indicator. All right, and I'm going to put this on a 3-month graph. Here's the near perfect indicator. For those of you who are not subscribers to the software and you want to have access to this indicator, this cherry picking technique really lives up to its name. So I'm not going to go in deep detail about it. If you look at our channel, I did a video on the near perfect indicator, but you can clearly see bottom left, top right, stock is in an uptrend, new high on Friday's data, in a little bit of a channel. But I'm looking at a possible entry. The last time this happened where moving averages cross, look at that run. Could it be happening again? Keep your eyes on it. Let's go to the next stock. The next stock is APO. Same kind of scenario. Bottom left, top right momentum play. Could be good entry right here. Let's go to the next stock. And again, these are potential breakout stocks that have the opportunity to keep moving higher. Bottom left, top right shows me momentum along with the moving averages on the stop price. This could be a good early entry or good entry now as the stock has now hit a new 3-month high. Now, Tesla, interesting. Coming up, new trend here, trend on the price, on the stop price of the stock, and a big trough on RT. Now could be a good entry. I would make sure I buy on an up day, not on a down day, but the stock is definitely trending higher. I still own the TSL, the Granite, or the ETF on Tesla as we talk. SLF, Sun Life Financial. Look at that move. Good entry, possibly. Stock is on the rise. Again, good cherry picking technique. Rivian, interesting. Rivian made the list. Trending higher because of the moving averages on the stop price. The stock is trending. Here's a good early entry point or an entry point right now. Make sure you buy on an up day. All right, let's go to the Canadian market. Let's bring these stocks over. Again, I'm not doing any I'm not doing any market timing. All I'm really looking at are momentum plays of stocks that could be breaking out. You'll notice that maybe they're not all fundamentally sound, but on all of the stocks that I'm showing you today, all of the relative timings are above 1. All right, let's go take a look at these. I've only got 4 stocks in the Canadian market. Put this on a 6-month graph, actually 3-month graph. There it is. Here's the setup for the near perfect indicator. I like this. I'd like to see it get out of this level. That's the last close. I'd like to see it get out of the level of this swing high. And guess what? It broke out and continued. And we've got an entry by way of RT. I like the play. Now, YTSL. Big pullback on RT, good entry point right here. Stock is in momentum play. It is a buy. Make sure you buy only on an up day. Wow, Sun Life, good entry right here. Stocks price momentum moving, faded the gap. I like this play in the Canadian market as an explosive breakout play. And again, here's Tesla again, still showing me a trend. I'd love to see it break above this level of 26.23 and fade this gap. This stock's got good upside potential because RT is letting me know that. All right, and let's move over to my next country, which is the Australian market. Let's take a look at the stocks we have here. We've got 6 here. Again, all of the RTs are above 1. All of these stocks are looking at momentum. Let's graph these stocks on a 3-month play. Tick off that. And now, interesting, this stock has been running. RT, look at that crossover. RT, look at the run. The stock is still in an upward move. Let's tick off the last close. Let's go take a look at the swing high right there. Broke through, still moving higher. This one could be getting to a point where it's being overbought. Be careful with this one. All right, be careful with this one. Let's go to the next one. Same thing with Hub AX. Man, this stock is really rocking and rolling in a trend. RT is above. Keep your eyes on this one as well. Could be at a level of being overbought. But they could continue to move higher. Same thing with uranium. Man, uranium is a rocking industry. Bottom left, top right, new 3-month high, definitely in a trend. This could be overbought. Keep your eyes on these. These are explosive plays that are still moving. Sun AX, Suncorp, good entry above on RT. Stock is in a trend. I would really like to see if it can take out the 3-month high before I jump on board. But early entry because of relative timing. Next one, MND.AX. Bottom left, top right, a little bit more volatile. Love that here it did not fade the gap. Did not fade the gap, showing me that it's got more upside. Good entry right here. And the last one, man, this one is a lot more volatile in the move. But look at the move. There was the downtrend, broke through the downtrend, didn't fade the gap. It did fade this gap, didn't fade the down gap. I like the entry here as well. So, folks, there you have it. Those are my top weekly picks, but we used a cherry picking technique called the near perfect indicator. Again, Stan did a great job in Canada this weekend, and it really got me thinking about my weekly picks for this week. Why not use a cherry picking technique? In all 3 countries, all of the 3 countries have access to that. If you are brand new to the channel and you like what you saw, but you would like to have the ability to do this, always remember, you could take a 99-cent trial. Go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. 99 cents, 30 days gets you access to this near perfect indicator. If you like the commentary that we gave this evening on these stocks, hit the like button. And if you're also still brand new to the channel and still haven't subscribed to the channel yet, by all means, hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon as well. With that, folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, do you want to increase your profits and generate income? Well, you can. For 99 cents, we'll give you access to the VectorVest system for 30 days. And guess what? It's a money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, we'll give you back your 99 cents. But folks, you're going to have access to the best software out there, the best guidance at any price. All you have to do is go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. Folks, it's a no-brainer. Go there right now and take advantage of your 30-day trial for 99 cents.